Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. Hope everybody having a good day today, you know what I'm saying? But today we gotta end the Jordan 4 military blues. Right then, man, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Like I said, we reached 2K, man. The goal is to reach 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, you know what I'm saying, subscribers, man. So I really appreciate everybody, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell anytime I upload, you know what I'm saying, the first one to know. I posted a video of these and they alright, they a little bit grown on me. Cause at first I'm comparing this picture right here. When I first seen this picture, I'll show y'all. So I seen this picture, it said 2024, of course, this pair, and it showed a pair of 2012. So I'm like, two different blues, of course, but they're basically going off the OG pair in 1989. So here's the other picture right here. It's basically showing the 1889, I think say 06, 2012, now 2024. So you kind of can see the difference on previous two. On the blues, they did like a lighter blue, but the OG colorway is like more like a darker tone, like a navy blue in my opinion, military blue, which is cool. But I don't have it on feet because not my pair. So shout out to my bro, appreciate you, bro, for sure. He hit on sneakers. I didn't even bother to try, but he told me like, hey, I want him on sneakers. I was like, hey, let me go do a video for my YouTube channel. I said for sure. So I said much love to you, brother. Appreciate you. But not further ado, I don't want to do too much talking. Let's go and get that shoe out, man. And there you go. So Jordan 4 is my top 3 all-time silhouettes, all-time. Jordan 4. So that's why I mess around, still go ahead and grab them, but they grown on me a little bit, just a little tad, not too much. But if I could rate these, I get about a 7.5 out of 10 right now. If I get my size in hand, it might change. It might change. You never know. But here they go, man. So you got your Jordan Wing logo here, Flight. Got your his size 10, women's 11.5. Retail price, I think they were, what was that, 210, 220? I can't remember. But it says Air Jordan 4 Retro Off-White Military Blue, size 10. So, and also the set the release date on these is May 4th. They did a shock drop last week. Like I said, he hit. I didn't bother to try, but like I said, shout out to you, brother, for sure. Let's get these bad boys out. Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 4 Military Blues, man. So I said, looking close up to him, it's like not a bad shoe. I think the leather material on the upper, wish it could have been just a little better. So when I press, I don't want to press too hard because it is his shoe. You press a little hard on the shoe, you see, like the leather is not too good. I wish the leather was a little bit better, but they got sway around the toe box here. It's a little sway. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hence a sway around the toe box here. That's the only part of sway that's on the shoe. It's around this toe box here. Other than that, the majority of the shoe is all leather. That's the only part that is suede. So, but like I said, I get 7.5 out of 10 on these. But here they go, man. The Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. Set the release date will be on May 4th. Full size run. Like an off-white material. It kind of look cream, but it's more of an off-white. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing about this shoe I love that tab on the back of the heel. I love that detail for sure. But we'll talk about the shoe, man. So here you got your hints of your gray right here. Also got hints of the military blue, and the Nike logo here is white. Here on your midsole here, you got your Nike Air Kush bubble right here. And so your military blue around on back of the heel area. Like I said, back on the heel tab. Like I said, on back of the heel area, you got your Nike Air logo here with your white, hints of the military blue. You got your little orange Nike Air tab. Mostly people will keep this on their shoe, but me, I always take it off because this will come off in case you wear it out. It will come off. Of course, on the tongue here, you got your military blue Jordan logo here with your Flight, with your off-white laces. Of course, you got your white cages with your military blue eyelets here as well. Your blue fours, man. This is how anticipated for sure for May. And then after that, more heat coming. So